Hey guys, good morning. Good morning. No fair. Good morning, guys. It is the Thanksgiving. It is the holiday weekend, and we are here chilling in the guys. Last night I stayed up and showed them here. Let me show them you. Hold on, Sudie. Hold on. Oh, look at Nevis here, guys. I did the cutest style.
Here, look at this, guys. The cutest cat.
Turn the other side. Let me show the other side. And the back. Oh, girl. That's a cute style, Nevi. Did you like it?
Yeah. Look at this, guy.
What is that?
It's a little charm.
That's a little charm?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like the
what
charm?
you told me?
Yeah.
Stop acting weird.
What?
Stop acting weird.
I'm not acting weird.
Yes, you are.
How am I acting weird?
You said, what is that? And I said a charm. That's being weird.
That's being weird?
Yeah.
Oh, because I know what it is?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, weirdo.
Never, don't call anybody weirdo.
Weirdo.
No, baby, don't call anybody weirdo, okay?
Okay.
That's not a very kind word.
Now watch this.
Hmm? So, baby, why you never finish pack up at the blocks?
Because I don't know how to. Because I don't know how to put them back together. Like that. Because last night you woke me. You took me out of the house. And I didn't get to put it back.
Oh, okay. Are you excited to see your cousin?
Yeah.
The game plan for today is I'm gonna take the drive, go spend time with my family. I was gonna stay home. So the past 2 years I've always hosted Thanksgiving dinner at my house. Yes, baby? Give me a second, please.
I wanna
Come. So last year, because we had the housewarming party and all our family came over. And all of that.
I don't remember when that happened.
You don't remember? I'll show you the video later. So
Hey, Mommy,
everybody had come over to our house and we did a big thing. Yes, baby?
What did this go
I'm
for
not
the
sure.
flex?
And the previous year, I had Thanksgiving dinner at the old house with both our families. So this year it kind of felt a bit weird. I don't know, but I was like, I had all intentions to just stay at home and just like have dinner with just me and Nevi, but then my family was like, no, you're not spending Thanksgiving dinner by yourself. You need to come over here. So I'm gonna do the 2 hours drive because my aunt, I'm not going to Auntie Peggy that you guys know, I'm going to the other aunt. So, and she moved as well, so I have a 2-hour drive to go do today. And then after the 2-hour drive, then I'm gonna go to Baltimore probably tomorrow so that Nevi can see auntie and grandma and daddy, because they are not gonna get to see them before, because I think they're gonna be gone, so she needs to see them before they go. And we're gonna spend some time with our family.
Yeah, and I go to my cousin's house.
Yeah, girl.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so stick with us through this little vloggy vlog. We're gonna just chill and relax for a bit before we get our day started. It's really gloomy and rainy. Let me show y'all. Y'all see how it looks? Like, it is so rainy and gloomy. We're definitely gonna have a cold Christmas because the way how this weather has been behaving is crazy.
Oh, yeah, put it at the singer. I was just get her name one time. Put Sophia?
No, Sophia. I am now on Reba. Seeing that I've finished Girlfriends. Reba is the new show. A single mom who works 2 jobs and never mind. And a single mom, I'm a survivor. I love these shows. Okay, so I came downstairs and I made my protein smoothie. This is strawberry, mango, and peach, and I use my almond milk. So this is what it looks like. And this is the protein powder that I use. Guys, yesterday I've started eating so much less because this holds me in the morning. Like I just eat like an egg and a sausage or something light with it. And guys, best believe when it comes to lunchtime, I don't have a big appetite. And I made some for Monique to try because she wanted to try my protein smoothie, so I'm making some for her to bring to work. So she's supposed to soon come collect it. Yeah. And I'm gonna go put this in the fridge till she comes. So I'm just gonna fry some egg and sausage and do something for Nevi. And I'm gonna drink my protein smoothie and I'm gonna work out this morning before I go on the road too. Alright guys, so we are all ready to go. Nevi, are you ready to go?
Yes.
Look at Nevi lip. Nevi lip shine like she just eat chicken. Eh?
It's kind of good.
You put on glitter lip gloss?
Yeah.
A bit of a long trip. I'm making sure to carry all the snacks so we have stuff to eat in the car. Do you want to bring an applesauce?
Applesauce? That's my applesauce.
Do you want to bring an applesauce? Go take an applesauce from the fridge.
Yeah, I'll take it. I wish you some Potter Boys.
No, Nevi, I can't bring that in the car.
Because they're going to melt?
Yes, baby.
That's because
Okay, so go get them.
but I put my shoes on.
So leave it for next time, let's see.
That's what I have to get a prize for. Let me get one. Quick, please. I'm going
Give me that bag. Give me that bag. I'll bring it out to the car. Thank you. My mom cozy bag as my overnight bag. Y'all, remember this bag? This is really a diaper bag and for bottles, but I'm like, you know, let's carry
I
our
have a
clothes.
doll in my bathroom.
Oh.
And I was holding on.
Did you go
Is that
for
okay?
yeah.
I didn't put it in the toilet.
Okay. You want to
Because
put it
then
already?
it's going to flow. Yeah, in the downstairs bathroom.
Did I leave the bottles upstairs? Or I came down with them, Sudi? Did I come down with them?
Yeah, you took my cup.
Where did I take your cup and things?
In the cold? Ah, my teeth.
Alright, wait, I'm coming back, guys. So we are on our way. Nevi's in the car. Nevi,
What?
we're on our way. It's no. Ain't no in fear. It take her to, you know, is the next thing that.
Yes, it's true, you know it's true.
You don't have to tell me. Me know my people.
On the table.
I know my people. So I am halfway
Tomorrow.
on
Yeah.
the journey. I just did 1 hour. I have 1 more hour to go.
One more, then it's so far, but in New York, that's what I do in New York.
You know, I'm thinking about it honestly because I'm like, if I can drive go there, so I can drive go to New York. You know, like. But my rather Auntie do the driving though. Auntie would have. I'm driving and there is traffic going and traffic coming. This is crazy. Like the traffic is so bad. I thought like, you know, leaving out today would be better, but nope, same amount of traffic. Oh my gosh, that's crazy, y'all.
Oh, yeah, we're still here?
Yes, we're soon there. It's been a bit of a drive, right?
What?
It's been a bit of a drive.
What did you say?
It's been a long journey.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're soon there, okay, sweetie? Alright. You're doing good, okay, baby? It's a cute little town, and I'm so excited to see my family. I haven't seen them in so long. So we made it. See Auntie there. On the side. Come drink a little manish water.
Said, hi, welcome to the community.
Yeah.
For Christmas, I do like
Go hold Zohan.
what was that? Oh, I do like a train around the community for the kids.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, that is so nice.
Yeah.
I haven't seen it yet, but they're advertising it.
Oh my gosh. Kids. Guys, don't go there by yourself. Come. So this is like a pretty. Yeah. Ah, it's really nice.
I want to see a mermaid.
I love it. You guys literally have the water. I want to come out here so every evening come walk.
Oh yeah, mommy.
She walk.
Come this far. Oh no, mommy's afraid.
Ah,
She is so
hush, baby, hush.
She just
This is
walks around here.
this is pretty.
People out here.
Yeah, I love it. This is
I'm going to go in the water and go deep.
me. You alone going deep because I know I'm not going with you.
Deep.
I'm not going with you.
drown. You would drown.
Exactly. Tell her so. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
I
This
think
is-
our dinner sometime.
This is a very nice. Come, baby. Come. Go on, come. I'm getting ready to go, so I'm just packing up. See, oh, why is the car not locking? Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm packing up the car because, yeah, so I had this day with Nevi, so I need to bring her to see her people. I feel like Nevi sent me out to the car and asked me to get something, and I can't remember what she asked me to get. Oh, the strawberry shortcake doll. I was like, I couldn't remember. Guys, this was such a fun Thanksgiving. Oh my gosh, I love it. I am in like the country area, and I love it out here. I absolutely do. Let me give Nevi her thingy, and we're gonna get going. I'm gonna go visit Grandma and Daddy first. I'm gonna be stopping by Grandma and Daddy, and supposed to see Auntie Peggy because I have to make sure Nevi see them before they leave. So this was a fun little trip. I'm glad I took the drive. Auntie was saying she's so proud of me to do the 2-hour drive because I never knew I would do it. If you know me, you know, I'm like, oh my god, I was scared, but it was a nice drive. Honestly, like, traffic was there because it was Thanksgiving traffic, so after I got through the traffic, it was like a smooth sailing drive. So I did the drive, and yeah, just spend the time with family, and just, you know, it's good. I'm really happy I came. I didn't like stay home, and you know, because sometimes you stay by yourself and all that, and I think I'd be like really sad, like missing, you know, the interaction and the get together and the fellowship and all of that. So I'm happy I came, and I had a very good time. Nevi is super happy, and yeah, I love, like, guys, I love the countryside. It's just something about it, like being close to the water and all the things. It is such a vibe. Like, I absolutely love it. Like, in the future I would move and I'd be like away from everyone in the woods, and that's my vibe. That is so my vibe. Like, I just love it. So yeah, I'm just outside getting some fresh air before it is time to go, because I have to it's probably gonna take me maybe like 3 hours to get back home, because I'm gonna stop by Auntie, my other aunt. So, and you'll probably see Daddy. I don't know if Daddy's there. Hopefully y'all get to see him. So yeah, guys, just enjoy a little nature. So Auntie was telling me that, like, sometimes she see like fox and deer and all of that come through the woods, and I'm like, that is so nice. Like, you know, I love being able to be so close to the woods, but the houses behind us, they built up the new houses, so you can't even see behind the woods at our house anymore. But I could sit out here and just enjoy this all day. This is lovely.
And let's get out the way. Well, you have to get warm.
Wait, let me fix it here first, please. Hold on a second. Alright, come, let's take a picture with mommy. Come.
I got all the flowers.
Did you try? Yeah, remember you have the little pink car at home?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
So,
Mommy, we have to have these in the house. To make that
I don't think Auntie's gonna want any leaves in her house.
for the wheel. We can't have little one. We have to have big one.
You and Auntie. Boy, you bring leaf in an Auntie house. See here? You and Auntie. You and Auntie. Auntie's gonna ask you where you're going with all those leaves.
I could say, oh, to our house.
Okay. Gotta go with you. Auntie, I'm not. It wasn't my idea to bring all those leaves. So that's so when you're doing art and craft?
No.
What? Do you want some water to drink, baby?
I'm doing it again.
Huh? Do you want some water to drink? Here. Here.
Can you open this?
Give me a second, baby. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, the car is all packed up and we are getting ready to go. Here you go, baby. I have a bit of a drive to do, so that water in the car and it's still cold. Last night was so cold. Last night was so cold, guys. Alright, let's say a prayer for our journey. And yeah, I'll see you guys in probably an hour. Alright. Big girl is... So Nevi is fast asleep. And I am basically like 4 minutes. So I'm almost there and she's sleeping. Poor mama tired. Tired nuggy. Oh my gosh, she played, so she's gonna be so tired. Still sleepy, baby? Aw. Alright, let's go inside.
I was so sleepy. I even didn't know it was not nap time.
Yeah, you took a little nap. A little nap.
Because I'm tired.
Yes, you're tired. Aww. Huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
Maybe they should always stay with them.
Oh no, you're not staying. We're just coming to say hi. Cause I have to bring.
Oh, mommy. I will go when this day is done. Okay?
I'll bring you a different day so you get to spend time with them. Okay?
No,
We're
no.
just stopping to
No,
say hi.
mommy. I'm saying I'm gonna play for. I want another day for Daddy Day. Okay?
You want to switch Daddy Day to a next day?
Yeah.
Oh, we can't do that because the day is set, so we can't.
Yes, mommy. You have to switch it.
Well, I'll have to have that talk with your father. Okay? But the next time we can have that talk, okay?
No, mommy.
What?
Cross me.
Huh?
Cross me.
Alright, let's go. How is that?
So, girl, you come here and you're
Mommy, want to take a picture?
with that head, that nightcap on your head.
Auntie! It's because I don't take my hair don't do, that's why I have on the bonnet. Auntie, I'm not going anywhere. That's why it's on.
You're all driving.
But nobody not seen me in the car.
That's not how you do it, though. 'Cause we don't do it that way. We don't do it that way, everything they do.
I know, Auntie. I know. She begs, she wants to stay. But listen, you're going to come back next time and spend time with Granddad and Auntie and Grandma, okay?
But I don't want to.
What?
So what about going to Jamaica?
I do.
Yeah, you
Is there
see.
any option? Ask him. So what's our option?
Daddy, going on?
Is there any options for me?
Never tell Granddad.
You want to go to Jamaica?
Tell Granddad, yes, you'll get to go one day, okay? You guys can do a trip, okay? Watch her. A Granddad baby. Oh gosh, Daddy,
Yeah.
how your foot?
It's getting better.
Getting better? Yeah, walk, alright?
I still have to use the crutch.
Oh, I just saw
Until the doctor released me.
Oh. Yeah, you saw that the Granddad hurt his foot, baby? Yeah, he had a surgery on his foot. So that's why he has to use that to walk. And he shouldn't be lifting you up. Yeah, because I don't know why he's doing that, and then he's gonna be, oh, my food. The last time she come and she'd ask for you, and she would say,
Let me come here. Come and tell me about your week.
go and talk to auntie.
Come and tell me how your week was.
So,
Come and tell me how your week was.
so right here, so them
How was your week?
work pan.
We cut here, sir. We cut here, sir.
Oh, jeez. It hurt you? It hurt?
No, not hurt. No.
Oh. Oh. Yeah, alright.
You never get for checks up there for the
No, but
going on the road in the night time.
I'm a big woman. Okay?
You know,
I'm a big woman. Grandma, which one the light there? What the light there? Which one the light? I know that. Yeah. Grandma, didn't you hear your son ask me what me I do for a road? Tell him, say, eh?
I'm trying to scare away hawk from my chickens.
So I will talk about your chicken now. Daddy is something. Daddy is
There's a lot of hawk around the
Daddy,
place.
leave me now. Oh my gosh, and to say, why you come on the road in your bonnet? Oh my gosh. It's the next day, and I am currently in Bob the Builder mode because guess what? Auntie gave me some Christmas decor, and I'm so excited to put them up. And I'm like, I want to put up my Christmas tree. Auntie gave me blue and silver Christmas decor for this year, so I'm so excited to put them up. And I want to put up the Christmas tree and everything before Nevi comes. And then when she comes, I'll let her add her own little ornament to the tree, and she'll get to turn on the light, and it will be Christmas. Alright guys, so right here is when I'm going to put the Christmas tree, right? So I'm moving this couch. I went into full Bob the Builder mode because I'm never sure how to separate the couch. So I had to call one of my friends, and he showed me how to use the drill. Girl know how to use drill now. I'm in the Bob the Builder mode. Hey. Guys, this is my first time using a drill. I've never used a drill before, and I was talking to someone. I'm like, luckily I've always been blessed to have like really good friends that, like, you know, will do certain stuff for me. And my neighbor would have come and moved it for me, but he was at work, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna learn to do this myself. And he showed me how. I was on video call and he showed me. He's like, okay, use it this way, Jordan, use it that. I'm like, ah! I was like, I should open a business. I should be a contractor at this point, okay? So guys, I pulled it apart, and I'm gonna move the couch out of the way, and I'm gonna put the Christmas tree right there. So that's where I'm putting the Christmas tree. The Christmas tree was right there, and it took up the whole entryway, and I want the Christmas tree to be at the window. So let's get going with this. And I'm like, when I'm in the mood to do something, I want to do it right now. Like, I don't like to sit and wait. So Miss Della says she's gonna come over, come help me, and I'm gonna go get the Christmas tree from downstairs. Yeah, just put them down, Now put up the tree first before we put the
Right. And then you're in New now.
Yeah, it's straight. Yeah.
Yeah. See there? You got a...
Ooh!
Right.
Yeah. Ooh. First, enough space there to the window. It now hold it for me, Mr. I don't want it near me. Heat. Oh, yes, somebody have it. I know it. I'm trying to change up the layout of the couch. I'm thinking instead of putting long there, I'm gonna put that piece there, but I'm wondering if I want the piece at the back over that side. I don't know. I'm changing the layout. Yeah. Come on, sit. look weird.
You lose weight? How much you lose already? Alright, this going upstairs.
It is looking like so far. It's coming on. Yeah. It's coming on. Slowly but surely.
Wait to see you again.
This is what the tree's looking like so far.
And when are you leaving? And that plane, and they was like, "Welcome home, brother." I melted.
Which felt like, oh, okay, he's really trying to get to know me. And you keep giving me this smile. I'm like,
Hey, it's a good thing.
Oh God, it was heavy in there.
no, that's extra. Home fun.
So these are the ornaments that I need to put on. These are Nevi ornaments. I'm gonna let Nevi put on her own ornaments when she come, and then these are my ornaments to put on. So every year I have gotten an angel, and this year I need to add an angel and a Disney princess to my collection because I love angels. Like, angels just hold a special place in my heart. So I'm gonna get this year's angel and a Disney princess, and I need to get an ornament with Nevi and I, and get Nevi a personalized ornament because every year she's gotten a personalized ornament. This is 2020, 21. I think this is 2022. This was last year's. So yeah. Christmas tree is up. It is a beautiful. So at the side, that's where I have the regular ornaments, the special ones, and Nevi's gonna come and put on her ornaments. I have them right there, resting so she'll do that when she comes home. And yeah, I still have more work to do over there, so I'm not showing you guys it as yet. And yeah, so I still have some more work to do over there, so once it's all done you guys will see. So I am just right now I'm just chilling and enjoying the show and enjoying the Christmas lights. Next day, and I am getting ready to go to church with someone. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my little outfit today. I'm wearing like a brown on brown type. This here together. I need to do this to my other curly wig as well, because I feel like my other curly wig that I wear to work every single day, it is like dry, like ridiculously dry. So what I normally do is like just spray some water and put in some curling cream, and that normally does the trick to get it, like, you know. So while I'm here working on that, and as a matter of fact I haven't meal prepped as yet, so as soon as I finish this I'm gonna go meal prep for the upcoming week. But I'm trying to get this video recorded and out of the way, because guess what guys, these braids, these poop shoop doop doop these will be serving me through the next 2 weeks. Okay, I don't know, I just feel like I just want to sit here and I just want to enjoy myself looking like this. Like, I was editing some videos back and I just realized that like I haven't gotten dolled up in a very long time. Like, yeah, I get dolled, but it's not like, you know, like I just feel like right now I just need to enjoy the moment of me looking so cute. Like, you know, I was like, hey, I'm cute. I'm a mess. I am absolutely a mess, I promise you. But yeah guys, I'm gonna actually, oh, I need to go cook dinner. I need to go ride that bicycle because your girl is trying to get fit. Oh, I have, all right guys, so right now I am working on my curry chicken. Mind you, ever since I started doing my curry chicken differently, not the usual Jamaican way, but this way with like the garbanzo beans and cooking it down with all the creamy sauce and all that, I have stuck to doing it like that just because I like it like that a bit more. And I eat my curry with naan. And yeah, and then over here I have some boiled potatoes for maybe it's late, but I gotta do this because I had to finish working on the video for the wig. So I'm just doing my meal prep now for the week. So I'm just like, you know, I normally do it like this before I cook. I really don't know the name of this, but it's like, you know, the stew beef, like, but it's like tiny bits, and I cook it down in like cream of onion and all of that. And Neville loves this. I'm seasoning up my meat. This is gonna be some fried chicken, so I'm not gonna fry the chicken tonight, but I'm gonna season it up and put it in the fridge so it's ready. So yeah, I'm working on all of that right now, and I'm gonna cut up my salad because this week I am doing my salad and meat. I'm not doing any rice, or probably naan is the only real carbs I'm having. Is my I know my fellow Jamaicans are gonna tell me, Jordan, that is not curry chicken, but this is it's curried chicken. Like, I started doing this recipe when I was trying to do butter chicken, and then I've just stuck with it ever since. So I like to add like tomatoes, I'll add my garbanzo or chickpeas to it, cook it down in the sauce and the cream and all that. And guys, this is so yummy. Like, Neville loves this, I love it. It's in my prep. I am gonna be having this for dinner tonight. Auntie sent me home with some goodie food. So here she cooked oxtail and fried chicken, and you have steamed veg, potato salad, and gungo rice and peas. And she gave me this full thing of sorrel, and I've been trying to savor it. And Auntie was like, "Oh my gosh, Jay, I never realized, but I should have sent you home with a bigger bottle." And I'm like, "Yes, Auntie!" I needed a bigger bottle of sorrel because, guys, look, this is the only sorrel I have left, and I'm so heartbroken. But I'm gonna heat this up for my dinner tonight, and I'm gonna put on a movie and relax, you know. So I got my Christmas music on. The tree is lit. I need to get blue curtains to tie in everything together, but when everything is done, y'all will see that. To tell y'all it's a new day. It's Monday morning. It's the day baby girl comes home. Yay! I'm so excited to go pick her up today. All right, guys, I have some potato pudding here. Auntie baked some for me, and she put some coconut flakes and like some coconut thing at the top. Guys, when I was a kid, I never used to like pudding. Like, you could not get me to eat pudding. You see, now as an adult, and as soon as I hear that Auntie, one of my aunts, bake potato pudding, I'm like, yeah, I'm coming for 9. Absolutely. Put it down. So I'm just bringing a little piece, just a little snack, because every time after I eat lunch, I always feel for something sweet. So this is like the perfect thing for me, and I'm trying to savor my potato pudding as much as I can. I don't want it to finish too fast, and I'm just, so I made my breakfast and I made my protein shake. I got up this morning, I did my workout, did my journal already, did my worship, and I'm on track. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. So I got that. I'm packing my lunch because I take lunch to work each day. For lunch, I have a salad here. In this salad, it's just a variety of different leaves. One bag of leaf, one bag of greenery. Guys, one thing when you switch to like a more vegetable diet, you go to the bathroom so frequently, it's no joke. So I have kale, lettuce, cucumber. Oh, this can stay because I have cucumber in this already. So that, and then here I have my curry chicken. So I'll have curry chicken and salad. I got my potato pudding for lunch. For my snack, I got my breakfast here, which my breakfast is literally just egg and sausage. I call it sausage, and never always tell me, no mommy, it's not sausage, it's hot dog. So I need to start calling it hot dog. And I also got my protein yogurt here. So I love this lunch kit because of the different compartments. And I'm bringing my naan to heat up. And yeah, oh, this can probably go at the bottom. So guys, the Caribbean in me, every time I go to Chick-fil-A and I get a salad, I always take 2 of the salad dressing, so I have extra in the fridge. So whenever I bring in a salad to work, I got a salad. Guys, look how this pack up everything. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Everything holds in this lunch kit. Oh, I need a snack for Nevi. Nevi needs a snack. Caring for my snack and my lunch today as well. So I've cut out, I'm drinking as much as my bubbly. I'm now drinking Hint. So this is just basically water with just fruit flavoring, and I like it, you know. I'm getting, like, everything, I feel like you just have to get adjusted to the taste. Once you start to acquire the taste, you're fine, you know. With my sweater, my long jean skirt, and my white boots. I love these boots. I'm off to work later on. You guys will see when I pick up Nevi. See y'all. Across an ocean, so I wouldn't try to be content in every circumstance. So I just came in, I set up the camera because I want to catch Nevi's reaction when she sees the Christmas tree. Alright, let's go get Nevi. I just got home from work. It's a decoration.
Look guys, it's Tiana. Let's kiss the floor. I don't like when Tiana kiss the floor. I don't want to kiss ever, no. F4, the L, because it's disgusting.
Yeah.
I can put a hole here. No, Mommy, I can put it in a box. Oh, like this one. This is going to be my stone box.
But you gotta be careful because some of them can break, so you can't run around with them.
I
Okay.
just know. I know that, Mama.
Santa does have a bit of Christmas magic, but he can't do all of this by himself. Santa's success.
No, Mama, can't do. No, Mommy,
Hold on.
it was a way to fall down.
Yeah, I have to fix it. I'll fix it so that it doesn't. Nevi hung all her ornaments on the tree. So pretty, baby.
Look at the bottom, guys. I'll go back. She's going to love it. What would you with Santa?
Remember, don't put more than one at the side because you don't want it to fall off, okay?
Let me say, let's see that, and I can do ho-ho. Ho-ho, Merry Christmas.
Sure, it would be a lot to have a home for Christmas since its dad passed away last year.
Yes, Christmas is hard. Hey, Michael. Hey, Mom. I can't